We are joined live now again at St. Peter's in our third of this knockout tournament, the hockey knockout tournament. It's a match between the Mumbai Customs and Companeros. Mumbai Customs in their sky blue kit. Again, courtesy of our tournament sponsors, Franco. Mumbai Customs in their finely yellow and orange kit. Of course, the standard Companeros colors. Just looking for the lineup of both teams as our first quarter resumes. Again, no lineup. For those who are just joining us, this is our third match of the Sydney Alexander Memorial Tournament. Last game concluding was the Mumbai Port Authority versus Union Bank of India. For those just joining us now, this is our third match. It's the Mumbai Customs versus Companeros. Now we move along here. It's Companeros on the ball. Moving as far as we can. Joshua Vesankar here, local Bandra lad himself, playing for Mumbai Customs. Finds his man playing in the heart of defense. Passes it on to the left. We have the number 9 for Mumbai Customs, moving it forward.
Come on, Johnny, cover.
Moving ahead now is Companeros is Johnny. Just a quick run through of the squads and the lineups for both the Mumbai Customs and Companeros. 45 is Shivratna, number 10 is Jayesh. Number 2, as I mentioned, is Joshua Vesankar for Mumbai Customs. Number 12 is Nikhil. Number 9, Hemant. Number 5, Mutana. Number 7, Barambir. Number 8, Pankaj. Number 4, Vinayak. And then, of course, as most tournaments have to go, there's no numbers aligned to these last 3 players, but we have Vinayak, Ajinkya, and Vikram. We'll have to just play it as it goes. As for Companeros, of course, we have Daniel in goal, number 21. Number 10 is Ethan. Number 3, Ryan. Number 2, Zidane. Number 6, Lyndon. Number 7, Dhruv. Number 9, Sanket. Number 5, Emmanuel. Number 1, Jonathan. Number 8, Aditya. Number 4, Kevin. Number 11, Suhan. And number 12, Ashish. As we resume here with play, score still 0-0 here in the first quarter of our third match in this knockout tournament. Who will go through to join the Mumbai Port Authority and the CTC, who had won their games earlier this morning. Here's Nikhil now on the ball for Mumbai Customs. Blocked well there. As Companeros move forward now. It's number 2 on Companeros, Zidane on the ball. Moving it forward now, here comes the Mumbai Customs. This is number 10 for Mumbai Customs, Jayesh. Jayesh on the ball, great bit of work here. As Daniel again comes out of his goal. Quick work there by the newly married man, Daniel. Here comes the Mumbai Customs again, and it's a fine block again there by the Companeros keeper. Moving it forward now. Companeros is trying to break through the Mumbai Customs. Here's Zidane on the ball, and it's that's number 11. Sorry, that's Suhan. As Mumbai Customs come forward. Great bit of defending here by Companeros. They just need to get out of their half. They're just leaving the ball very loose here for the Customs to recover. Intricate work here by the Customs men. That's Jayesh again on the ball. Still Jayesh trying to weasel his way through. Great bit of work and fantastic defending there by Companeros. Asking for a penalty here. But apparently it's possession in favor of Companeros. Here comes Companeros, but unfortunately ball not kept in play here. It will be in favor of the Mumbai Customs. Here's Hemant on the ball. Finding his man, that's number 5, Muthana. Finding his player on the left here. That's number 8, Pankaj. Muthana now finding number 2, that's Joshua again. We'll probably be seeing him later on in the evening in action for his team Chimbai in the football tournament as well, Joshua Vesankar. Speaking of which, we might just see Daniel D'Souza as well in the goal for Companeros in the evening football tournament, or maybe at back in the heart of defense. Plenty of exciting sports to see over the course of today, ladies and gentlemen. There's number 4 for Companeros. That's Kevin now on the ball. Finding his man on the left. Broken away. Foul in favor of Companeros. Companeros now on the ball. This is number 8 for Companeros. That's Aditya. Finding Kevin again here on the left. There seems to be some work here, but it's dispossessed here. It will be the ball in favor of the Customs as they move quickly. There's number 12. That's Nikhil on the ball. Fancy footwork by him. Finding his man. Here's Jayesh on the line. Blocked away there by the Companeros defense. It will be a penalty corner in favor of the men in blue. Or should I say the men in sky blue, the Mumbai Customs. Chance here for Joshua. Finds Joshua. Quick 1-2 between both players. Fantastic bit of work between both of them. Just unable to beat the final defender. Here's Deepak now. Try to find Ryan here down the left hand side for Companeros as they try to beat the Customs defense. There's a chance on to the right. Great bit of work here. A little bit of space for the young player. Just not enough cohesiveness there in that movement between the young Companeros offense. Joshua now here for the Customs. Finds his man Pankaj on the left. So far it's been a very interesting first quarter between both teams. That's Nikhil now on the ball for Customs. Finding his man on the right, and he does find his man on the right. That's Jayesh again. Looking dangerous, trying to beat Daniel there, and it's again fine bit of goalkeeping there by young Daniel D'Souza. Penalty corner now in favor of the Customs again. Taking quickly, here's Joshua with the shot, and it's blocked away again. Then another opportunity, and that is the first goal. Jayesh opening the account for the Mumbai Customs off the penalty corner. It was a bit of good defending by the young Companeros defense, but Just off the rebound, they weren't able to catch that. Scores 1-0 now. As they move forward, Combinados now in the half of the Customs, finding the man down the right. It's number 6, Linden. Now here comes Jace, the goal scorer. Of course, looking for some space, looking for his man on the right hand side. He does find him. That's number 5, Mutana. Customs to take it quickly. This is number 9, Hemant, finding Joshua here as the last man of defense. Broke well there. Here comes Companeros. That's number 12 for Companeros. Ashish dispossessing his player, and it's blocked well there by Pankaj as he receives the ball back for the Customs. Hemant now on the ball. Looking for his man on the right, and he does find his man on the right. That's number 4, Vinay. But it's retrieved here by the Companeros youngsters. Great bit of work there again by Hemant to dispossess again and gain possession. Hemant again. Customs again looking the more dangerous of the two against his young Companeros side. Clearly the experience and influence of the Customs getting the better of Companeros so far. There's Customs on the ball. This is number 5, Muthana on the ball. Finding Jayesh, the goal scorer so far. Finds his man, and it's unfortunately possession in favor of Companeros. Play will resume here in the Companeros half. Here's number 8, Aditya. Finding his man on the left here. This is Zidane here. And that's the end of our first quarter here, ladies and gentlemen. Mumbai Joshua Yana on the ball. Back to Pankaj. Oh, and that's a foul there. Of course, the AstroTurf of St. Peter's do give you some really, really nasty burns, but that's part of the game. Here's Muthala now looking for Hemant. There's Hemant on the ball. Keep it in play. Finds Nikhil. Plenty of space on the left hand side to Pankaj. Pankaj now shoots it across. That's number 7. That's Parambir for the Customs, and it's taken quickly. There's Nikhil again. Back to Hemant. Hemant for the Customs. Finds Muthanna. Back to Hemant as the Customs seem to be just enjoying the lion's share of the possession here. Parambir now on the ball. Back to Hemant. Customs looking to have a little bit of swagger in their play. Just enjoying the possession, trying to spread it across to see if their opponents can make a mistake. Here's a chance for Parambir in the circle. Parambir running around. Blocked well there by Danny in goal. Here comes Compries on the counter. Great bit of work there, but it's again fantastic defending there by Muthanna. Again, fantastic work there to recover the ball. That's number 11. That's Suhan winning the ball. Sorry, that's number 1 actually. Jonathan winning the ball back for Companeros. Ashish now. Back to Ethan. Back to Ashish. Lobs it across, and it's no one to connect that pass. No, I'm okay, Baba. Huh? I had no. Baba, I'm good, Baba. Thank you so much. Maybe another bottle of water. Just another bottle of water. Chill, please. Yeah, it's really hot. Just water only, Baba. Thanks. Thank you so much. I'm good with water only. Thank you. No, I don't want cold drink. I'll just have water. Give for Kazi Ali cold drink. I don't want, yeah. No. As play resumes, you have Companeros now on the ball, moving it forward, trying to find his man on the right hand side. Just a loose ball, unable to catch up with it. A bit of a clash there with some of our spectators. Play resumes now. Joshua finding Hemant on the right hand side. He's got options there with Muthanna on his right. Back to Nikhil here. Down the center. Looking for his man here. Down the center to a great ball there. Just no touch. Received. Possession now back to Companeros. Ethan on the ball. Finds Lyndon here, who's playing up front. Trying to look for his man Suhan up front, who seems to be bringing the soul forward here for the Companeros side. Just a 1 goal deficit so far. It's only the second quarter. Mumbai Customs just kicking back here, just playing on second gear, just enjoying themselves. As Companeros trying to look for an equalizer. Great bit of work here by Suhan, keeping the ball in play. Trying to find his man, but he's dispossessed. Muthanna now trying to find his man there. Number 10, Jayesh, the goal scorer for the Customs. Ashish now for Companeros. Finds Kevin. Back to Aditya here now on the ball for Companeros, trying to find Lyndon down the center. Dispossessed. Here's Muthanna now for Customs. Muthanna again moving forward. Again, the ball lost there by Companeros. They shouldn't be losing the ball so easily. Great bit of work there by Ashish. Fantastic defending. Thank you very much. As we move forward, here's Lyndon finding his man on the right. Companeros with the chance here, trying to get into the box. Sorry, into the circle. Ball in possession here for Companeros as play resumes in this quarter. Ethan now on the ball for Companeros. Trying to look for his man, but it's a loose pass again. Not a lot to do here. Mumbai Customs still with that one slender lead. They're going to look to see if they can double their lead in this quarter. Not much time left in this second quarter. Jayesh, the singular goal scorer, on the ball here for the Customs. Finding his man on the right-hand side. That's number 4, Vinay on the ball. Losing actually the ball there as Companeros resume play. Aditya now moving forward. Great bit of work by the youngster. Getting it down the center. He's got options on the right. Great run there, but again he's dispossessed by Pankaj, who's been very consistent at the back for the Customs. Dispossessed again, and that's fancy little stick work there by the Customs. In possession now, here's Mutana looking for Vinay. Vinay still on the ball there, finds Mutana on his right. Beats his player, he's in the circle, there's a chance to double their lead. Here's Jayesh again with the second option, and that's goal number 2 for the Customs. Dancing it through, that was Vinay with some great work there in the box. 2 goals to 0 here. The Mumbai Customs. Jayesh with the second goal of this match and in the tournament.
ये रख ले पॉकेट में,
चार्ज होने के बाद लगा दूँगा। अभी आवाज़ क्या?
उसका ही आवाज़
YouTube Companeros on YouTube. पहली बार टैलेंटिंग ये क्या हुआ ये टैलेंटिंग बाहर मार दिया
Because they don't want them to have one.
वो वाला
शुरू कब आएगा?
ज़्यादा आवाज़ आएगी माइक खड़ी है ज़्यादा आवाज़ आएगा आवाज़ आएगा
माइक क्यों हटा है?
चाल नहीं हो रहा
अभी हो रहा है? गोल यार Emmanuel, you scored a goal with my jersey. Go, man. Run, man. Run.
2-1.
दो मारे तो पेनल्टी बोलो बेटे बेटे सीख गया ना ग्रुप खेलता है ओ वाह
Legend Brian Clapton. बाइक निकाले वो लोग का आवाज नहीं आएगा I told you 50% it is too far.
ये भाई को माइक लगा उन लोगों का आवाज नहीं आएगा
लाइन से नहीं लगा
But I need to do some dates of delay.
वीडियो में
Johnny, go, Johnny. No ball. Keep it ground ball, man. Why? Hold it. Hold us. Sanket, right? Sean, fast. Go on. Center. Shoot.
Jonathan is there, Mayan, Ayush, Sameer. That idiot is there.
अरे I could play keeper. My
Basket, I would have not played.
अरे संकेत दा संकेत अरे मिल गया आदि आदि
No problem.
चार्ज हो रहा है नहीं
गुड बॉल यार
बहन को पहुँचता तो मेरे पास है ना It's not catching.
Stop and given here.
No, that guy can shoot for you.
Ask Peter when I gave him the lineup. He doesn't find excuse not to let me play. If you come back, listen, I'm not done. B. Which bag? This bag. Hello. Sean.
London.
And let's get him to be two really quick fire goals from the Devils. There's the Canada on the ball, finding Sarambi. He's scoring fast, but I gets the ball forward.
Give left! Give left! Give left! Left high now!
Jordan on the ball. He has space there, he finds space here. There's the ball coming. Kevin goes for the ball. Finds the player that is trying to eat it. Corner, favor of Campanello. The big score for the corner, so the other opportunity for them. Cut down the goal, then the earlier one which he did that extra pass. So also shows him about beating that one. High legs of the Mumbai Customs. Clock is ticking down. There's not a lot of time left now in this final quarter. Yes, I wanted this side. Take it. Moves it forward. Finds Hayes on the right. There's a chance to extend it. Fantastic defending by Kevin. Aditya on the ball for Campanello. As much as the Customs legs are tired, it seems that the Campanello's legs also looking a lot more tired with the results that they have. Clock ticking away, Campanello really need to look for a goal to at least get up this minute and change the course of the match for at least the last minute of the match. Here comes Renee now on the ball.
Patient! Patient!
Moving forward, Renee just buying his side. Pankaj on the ball now. Strongest shot of the Campanello trophy. Pankaj now with a chance and he just dispossessed there. Here comes Dhruv down the ball, trying to move the ball forward. Cheated. Suhan down the ball. Finds the India down the right. Keeps it running play. Go to the top ball. Rest again. Not a lot of time left in this quarter. Jonathan now progressing the ball forward for Campanello. Here. Emmanuel on the ball. Lose the defensive duties. And that's the match, ladies and gentlemen. Mumbai Customs, the victors. 3 goals to 1.